Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about hydrangeas, and more specifically I'm going to show the soil mix that I use to grow my hydrangea plants. So you can see this is one of my hydrangeas in the backyard, and it's really big. I bought it when it was a tiny little baby, so the mix that I'm using in my settings seems to be working really well. And what I use is, there's three different parts. The first part is the patio soil, which is the Kellogg brand. It's the brand I talk about quite a bit. I like it. It works really great for me. The second part is sphagnum moss. The reason I add this is it acidifies the soil, so it makes the soil more acidic, which is what hydrangeas like. And then I add coconut coir, or the coconut husks. And it's super simple. All I do is I do 3 parts, so I get whatever I use for measurement. So I'll do 3 parts of the patio soil, and then 1 part of the sphagnum moss, and 1 part coconut coir. And mix it around. And the sphagnum moss over time is going to get wet and absorb the moisture. I really just put it in there to add acidity to the soil, and it seems to work. So what you do is you just make it in batches, how I did. So 3 parts patio plus, 1 part sphagnum moss, 1 part coconut coir, and then just repeat until you have enough to fill the soil for your hydrangea. And it looks a little bit weird until the sphagnum moss gets wet, but this is what I've been using, and it seems to have worked really well.